to give up the floor. He's trying.
My project is on animal behavior with the theme of Finding Nemo. Instincts, examples of instincts in Finding Nemo are when they get scared because of the shark going in, because obviously sharks are higher up on the food chain than they are, and so they're scared. Classical and conditioning and operant conditioning. In Finding Nemo, there's a couple examples. Classical conditioning would be an example of when the teacher, the manta ray, takes all the little young fish and animals and goes around to teach all of them about the life there under the sea. And for operant conditioning, an example of that in the Finding Nemo is when they want to see the jellyfish, and once they touch the jellyfish, they get stung and they learn from that. The defensive tactics in Finding Nemo would be all the fish staying together so that they look bigger and make themselves appear bigger, like the picture on the left, and on the right would be another defensive tactic is swimming away from the bigger fish and getting in smaller areas, like when they have to hide. An example of migration in Finding Nemo is when Marlin runs into all the turtles that are migrating together because of the weather change and all the other predators are going. So they all travel together. Observational learning in Finding Nemo would be when Nemo goes to touch the butt because all his little friends tell him not to touch the butt, or they dare him to touch the butt. So he goes out to touch the butt of the boat, and then the diver comes down and takes Nemo, so all his friends learn not to go out there because it is really dangerous. And then the whole adventure of Finding Nemo starts. Types of behavior in Finding Nemo would be when Marlin goes searching for Nemo. He doesn't want to leave behind. He doesn't want to live without Nemo, and so he goes and risks his life for Nemo to find him, and he goes across the entire ocean